it's your girl, we're Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell somebody to subscribe, and all of that jazzy stuff, because we litty over here. Without further ado, hold on, y'all, because I'm gonna take this one, the bigger package, because it got my address on both sides. Hold on. And this package is from Temu. Alright, y'all, let's get it started. Y'all know y'all niece gotta be like her mommy. So I'm getting her a few pieces. Y'all, cause her one purse, it says bag door Dior whatever. Y'all, now we be like, bring me your purse. And she go grab her purse, y'all. She walk around with her little purse. This part be in her mouth, but she walk around dangling her little purse. It'd be so cute. So definitely go on there for y'all fur babies. They have very affordable items on Temu. That's where I got majority of her stuff, whether it was her cage, her stroller, a lot of stuff. So definitely look on Temu. Y'all know I love Kuromi and I love gold. I thought this was cute, a little purse charm. Y'all know I get my jewelry and stuff either from the Expressway, DH, or Temu. And this ring is actually from Temu. I thought it was cute. They got the one that looks like this one and the one that got like a red ruby looking thing. I got that one also from Temu. This was given to me from somebody. And this is another Temu ring. So definitely go on Temu, y'all. And I bathe in these rings, wash the dishes, everything. And when I look for rings, I look for stainless steel or ring stamped with sterling silver 925. So this is another ring. Y'all know I love hearts and stuff. Let's see. And it be saying it be stamped, but you still gotta check it. Okay, so it's stamped right here. Y'all can't see it, but let's see what ring finger is gonna go on. Ooh. Y'all. So I have to go on this finger. But yeah, definitely cute. I also get my bracelets from there. Y'all, stack game crazy. I love when I see people wearing stacked jewelry. Y'all, it be so awesome. Oh my goodness. Of course, this is going to go in the giveaway because y'all, my wrist could never. And I'm not even going to try. So I'm going to put this back in here. And I go into a future giveaway. Y'all know these shoes, baby. Oh, I probably can't fit these. These were supposed to be 11 and a half. 12. I know I can't fit no 30. Oh no, it says 46, 47. So the bag said 30, but the bottom says 46, 47. Let's see if I can fit this. If I can, I'm gonna be pissed because I ordered them in. I can't fit them because I ordered them in black too. So that sucks. So if it say 11 and a half to 12, y'all, don't. I'll probably give them to my mama. Ooh, I'm super sorry. I just knew I had me one there. And this is from the Expressway. Y'all know I love me a good old purse charm. especially the fugglers. They got the Superman fuggler charm. It's so cute. And I have seen this charm on there. I want to say this is like $3 or $4. They had a vendor for like, another vendor on there was like trying to sell for like 20, 25 bucks. Now they had this for $4. I thought this was cute. So I can put on my little purse. Alright, y'all. So this is my mini haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.